Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the President and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 4 of our 6-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliSchedule. In this video, I will be covering making an availability schedule for your weekly schedule, and then cover how to make an exception to your weekly schedule. So let's get started. Starting from the MyIntelliSchedule homepage, to begin creating a schedule for your class to select from, if you are on the desktop version, click the Schedule tab bar option, then click Availability. If you're on the mobile version, click the same select box and then click Availability. If I had already entered availability, you would see it here. Because this is a new account, click the Add Change Availability button at the bottom of the middle of the screen. Under Enter New Availability, select the day of the week that you're setting a schedule. Then go down and click Add Row. For this example, I'm going to click Monday. Upon clicking Add Row, a new availability time slot will be displayed. You select a service, a start time, and an end time. You may not overlap start and end times with each other. If you notice, the times begin with 12 a.m. and end with 11:55 p.m. Under Settings, you may restrict this range to a range that is more reasonable for you. So for my schedule, I'm going to leave the service set as any service, although I could restrict a time slot to a particular service and set appointment times at 8, 8:30, 9, and 9:30 for 30 minutes. So my respective end times will be 8:30, 9, 9:30, and 10. You may set your appointment times to your desire or skip around as long as the start and end times do not overlap. I'm going to pause the screen and enter my schedule. Welcome back. If you have selected everything correctly, then the Submit button will turn blue. If you are happy with your schedule for that day, click Submit and it will be saved to the MyIntelliSchedule system. You may change your schedule at any time by either deleting the day and entering a new one, or by simply entering a new day that takes precedence over the old day. Now we will talk about availability exceptions. Availability exceptions were created so you would not have to create and recreate schedules for time off. If you are on the desktop, go to the Schedule tab bar option and click Exceptions. If you're on the mobile device, go to the same select box we have been using and click Exceptions. If you had current exceptions already listed, they would be displayed on this screen. With exceptions, you can create a new exception as long as you don't already have an appointment scheduled during the said exception time frame. If you already have an appointment scheduled during the exception time frame you are trying to create, it will not allow you to create the exception. You must first cancel the existing appointment, then create the exception. Once you create an exception, appointment choices for that time frame will not be displayed to your clients. The availability exception can be as narrow or as broad as you want, and you may split times if you so choose. I'm going to start by clicking Add Change Exception. Availability exceptions are similar to availability entries with the exception that you select a date instead of the day to create the exception. I'm going to create an exception for 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. on July 15th, which is a Monday. So I will select the July 15th day, enter all services or a specific service if you so choose, select 9:30 a.m. as the start time, and select 10 a.m. as the end time. I will pause the video for a moment and select everything. Welcome back. It should be noted that if I'd entered 9:45 as the end time, the 9:30 appointment time would still not display because its entirety is not available. Now that I've entered my exception, if I click submit and get a success message, then you're good to go. To show that the appointment time was deleted, I select the demonstration tab once again, select a service, select a provider, which is me because the availability exception is first person, and then select July 15th as the appointment date, and you will see that the 9:30 time has been removed. That completes my demonstration of creating availability schedules and availability exceptions. In the next video, I will cover setting up the appointment page settings that your customers view when they click the button you place on your website for them to schedule an appointment. Thank you for watching part 4 of our 6-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliSchedule. If you'd like to know more about our company and its software, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube. Visit our website at www.myintellisource.com or send us an email at the email address listed at the end of this video. Take care and have a great day.